All right, here's a midday update. We are at noon time now. No surprise here, isn't it? If you, well, paid attention throughout the day, I talked about this pink algorithm and also this magenta, right? So we had that beautiful magenta, just bouncing it off here. And by then you would already see pink in control. So this was not accidental. You see how pink was building liquidity off that 20-day moving average here as well. So understanding this pink controlling the selling, right? Watch yesterday's training video where I talked about controlling the selling, right? So this will, you see, if you spend time practicing, reviewing, studying yesterday's training, you would see it applicable immediately today, right? So this was quite straightforward. The 30-minute chart was also quite salient here. I talked about this this blue algorithm, and obviously if this happens it will be great. There will be continuation, but still pay close attention. We are still in the wedge. You cannot be complacent. We are still in the wedge, level by level, algorithm by algorithm. We're not even breaking out of that orange yet, so just be more careful. But at this point in midday, what do? Is to prevent yourself from over trading and allow the market to build more liquidity. The 5-day well, obviously the 5 days there, you can afford to wait. It's not too far away, right? So you can afford to wait for the 5-day retest. This will coincide with the QQQ 20-day retest as well. So allow it to retest. It will probably retest it within the magenta if it wants to. And you see the pink already building liquidity on the way up. You see the pink, even the small microstructure here, isn't it? So if this wants to continue heading up, especially nearing end of days, even better. You get better risk to rewards, isn't it? Right? You want to see the pink building more liquidity and obviously defending a certain range here. You see the 764 that was quite defended here. So you want to be hoping if this wants to head up, at least the bulls will defend that range on the retest of the 5-day, right? So look out for this if you want to see more continuation structure. And obviously now we're buying in magenta. That's not great. You want to see the orange buying because it's the orange that's bringing us up. Do you realize that? You see the orange is bringing us up to new levels. So wait for the orange. The orange will be minimally, you have to wait for the orange. A bonus if it's blue that's bringing us out of that 5-day. Right, now any downsides here, this is already apparent, which is this 30-minute blue algorithm here, right, as I've shown you here. Now, plenty of liquidity here, the market can grab it. It may not be today, right? We can have 5-day and then 20-day, why not tomorrow? So don't be banking everything in one day, right? That's how they get you. Sometimes the liquidity is built throughout the week, especially it's a Monday today. Right, so you can set alerts if this wants to dump. You will not miss it end of day, right? Especially with 20-day moving average right there. This will be very beautiful if it wants to dump near par R. Very beautiful. Obviously, there will be rejection as well. So just be careful. Don't overtrade here, right? Obviously, the blue algorithm here, 20-day moving average was still right smack in the middle now, isn't it? We're back in the middle and in the wedge as well, right? So, plenty of profits to be found while the market is building liquidity for the week. How amazing is that? Right, so just be more mindful and careful now while we go to lunchtime, and I'll see you a little bit later today. Right, thank you very much.